Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Melissa, and today we're vlogging. We decided to vlog. We are trying to get back on a regular schedule. Somebody's really excited to say hi. Wow, what's going on with you?
I'm excited too. And guess what? So something really funny. Come here. Want to tell them what happened?
What happened?
So Gemma was walking around. She goes, "What did you say?" She said, "My foot's glitching out."
What?
Right? She goes, "My foot's glitching out. My foot's glitching out." And I thought about it. I had just helped her get off the toilet. I think she sat on the toilet too long and her leg fell asleep. And she was shaking her leg. "My foot's glitching out."
Oh, her leg
I'm
fell
glitching
asleep?
out.
Did your leg fall asleep for the first time? That's really funny.
It was really funny. Because I was like, "What do you mean glitching out?"
No,
But
you must have just been falling asleep.
Grayson was
That's
dying.
hilarious. Were you?
She was like, "Oh my god."
What's glitching out?
That must have been what she was talking
I
about.
need to tell you what else we're going to do tonight.
Oh, okay. What else are we gonna do?
We are going to have a bath and with my new childhood, and we are going to have a dance party with
A dance party?
Yeah, with,
And a bath?
yeah, and also a popcorn movie night with the party night.
How much sugar did you give her for lunch?
Oh, nothing. She had, would you have broccoli? Broccoli and oatmeal.
She did this puzzle. She wanted to make sure that we showed you guys. She did this unicorn puzzle. And what are these? You made these sticker cards?
Yeah, for you guys.
I
Yeah,
love it.
this
Thank
one-
you.
This one for me with the cat. And then this one over here
It's
with,
for me.
with like the Merc cat.
She said that was for
It's
me.
for you, yeah.
Yeah, what are you doing over there?
I'm playing
She's being sus.
I know, she got this phone for her birthday and now we can't get it out of her hands.
Let me see what else I want you to see.
Okay, what else?
These stickers are totally cute with
They are totally cute. You know my favorite one?
what?
Kitty
Yeah,
Mermaid.
but what favorite frosting ones are you?
Yeah, I also like the frosting ones. I know you like donuts. So Gabrielle's over here doing homework, right?
Yeah, I think she's doing her English final, so.
Ooh, okay, so we should be quiet.
Well, I've only got a couple questions left, but I got a good feeling about it.
She's killing it!
Do you feel pretty confident about how it's going?
Yeah, I think I'm doing okay.
And you're still working on chem, it looks like. It looks like you've got some
I
science
have-
projects in front of you.
I have one lab left to do for chemistry, so.
All right, well, good luck. We'll be quiet. So kids are wild, right? Like Gemma is the funniest baby or toddler in the history.
No, they're all
I think.
ill moments.
It's so funny. She's so funny. So right now we're in the car, obviously. Duh.
Our presentation hands hit each other.
I don't know if we mentioned it earlier. I don't think I did. We are going shopping today for Valentine's goodies for the kids. We heard that Target was
Stocked
putting
and
out
locked.
all their stuff today. So we are going to go shopping and see if we can find some goodies for the girls. If you guys have watched our vlog for a while, you know that every year I like to put together these little goodie bags. Jeff helps.
Little smorgasbords.
For them with little goodies and activities. So we're gonna look for that today, and that's why the big kids are babysitting so that we can go find some goodies for them. So we're gonna see what we can find. We're gonna take you shopping with us.
We're just gonna pop in real quick. Well, not that quick. Probably like
I'm slow.
like 15 minutes.
I'm pretty slow. So we're here. We're in Target now. We went to the dollar spot. They're still kind of setting up. They didn't have a lot of Valentine's Day stuff, but I did find some fun little activities for the kids.
Yeah, that's good. Unicorn 3D puzzle.
Yeah, you put the puzzle together and then you paint it. And then these little workbooks for Gemma. Shapes, numbers, and colors. How cute.
That's nice. It's kind of crazy. Just noticed, kind of walking around. We haven't seen anybody here. It's like super empty right now.
Yeah,
So,
it's like the perfect time.
Seems like a good time.
We chose to come like on a weekday because we wanted it to be like no people, and we picked whatever time it is right now is exactly the right time. So we just got back to the Valentine's Day section, and this is super funny. This is like the husband section.
Oh yeah,
So
there you
come
go.
Grab stuff for your wife. You get some chocolates and your wine.
And the wine, the vino.
Right? Some of this looks peach.
Hey.
That sounds so good.
Hit the flavor.
How many more months?
6, 5.
Also, I don't know. Well, June, so it's like middle of January right now. It's a little bit longer. I got this sweatshirt. I just finally got some maternity clothes because I'm like 17, 18 weeks. But I feel like this kind of makes me look frumpy. I don't know.
No, you look good.
Do I look pregnant or just frumpy?
You look great and pregnant. Which one do you want?
I feel like the baby's grown a lot.
Well, you don't want to
lots
look
of
frumpy,
weeks.
right? So pregnant's the right answer, right?
I think so. Also, this is very fitting for the theme today.
Yeah, I just kind of noticed like you blend in. It's like camo, Valentine's camo. The girls love this kind of stuff. The lip smackers.
Oh my gosh,
Cherry,
I know.
Coke.
Oh
Let's
my
get
gosh,
some of
wait,
these.
which is the one that, which kid's obsessed with like the Coke ones?
Every single one of our kids. I don't know about the face masks.
Yeah.
But I think maybe the lip smacker
the lip
flavors.
smackers are really good. Like this could be good, at least for even for just like if it was just Gemma and Gretchen, because Gabrielle and Gracelyn got like a ton of lipstick and lip gloss for Christmas. But I think the little
Well,
kids
if we're
will
gonna
love
split it 3 ways, why don't we do like this over here? This has more flavors and more choices, I think.
It says best
That could be
flavor
good.
forever.
Forever. Perfect.
Oh, okay, yeah, you're right. This is probably
And the music
best.
just stopped. I don't know if you heard the music, but that was so
our
weird. So
Target
loud.
has been playing. It's like the loudest, weirdest. It's like at the 80s radio station. It's like super weird. I don't know.
It's so loud.
We immediately walked in. We're like, why are they blasting
They are
80s hits?
loving this music here.
You know they're like doing inventory in the back or something, and they're like just
Jamming out?
And
Oh,
like the rest
yeah.
of the store's like, what's going on here?
Oh, look at this. They have little Valentine's Play-Doh.
Oh,
That
that's
could
so
be really cute for Gemma and Gretchen.
That's like a classroom thing, I think. Although this year, I don't know if anybody's really going to be.
Oh, like for your peers, like
Yeah,
you give them.
you give them like little Valentines. You give them little Play-Doh. So I found some little M&Ms. What are these called?
Those are
Tubes?
good.
Little M&Ms tubes.
Silos. Oh, just for
Silos.
the record, I definitely see the kids like they'll get it and then just like take shots out of it. So
They did
it's,
that at Christmas, and I also
yeah.
found these for the little kids.
Ring pops
so
are
I need
money?
to find something for the older kids that's kind of like an equivalent. I know that some of them like Sour Patch Kids. Oh, these are probably so good.
You know what? I just saw this. What about Conversation Heart candy, Sour Patch Kids style?
Those are probably really good.
That could be really good.
The
'cause
kids love everything sour.
in the Conversation Hearts typically just taste like sugary chalk.
Yeah. Well, these
So
are
I think that Sour Patch would be
And then
money.
these will be for me.
Yeah.
These are good.
No, hey, then get a couple. Get a
I've
couple.
been
Or
craving sour candy a ton lately.
well, also we could wait till after Valentine's Day, and then we can totally hoard some
The baby wants
sour
the baby
candy.
wants it now.
No, get it now
Baby
too.
wants it
I
now.
agree. This is an epic section.
This is.
Yeah, I couldn't talk, but look at this. Unicorn nerds, you are magical. Let's see if I can even get it. Look at
That
that,
is
with
really
a unicorn.
cute. It has
That's
a
probably a
unicorn
little
headband.
yeah.
Headband.
And then you got some cool Star Wars stuff, really like glistening.
Oh, this is cute.
Yeah, I was gonna say that too. That's like one of my favorite because it's got the popcorn and the candy.
Does it have a movie? You just like grab
I
a
think
movie?
you have to pick a movie, or I guess you could just stream one, which
It's a fun
is the
little
way to
date
go.
night, although I feel like this has been everybody's last year, just at home with their husband or boyfriend watching Netflix.
Yeah, that's true. That's kind of how
So
it's all
maybe
been.
movie night's kind of not as entertaining anymore.
And I think here's the classic ones kind of at the bottom. Let me see if I can get behind you, honey.
Yeah, typically I get these for the girls.
Right? It's just kind of like.
Just a couple pieces of chocolate.
But I want to say they even have like dollar ones usually.
Yeah, but those only have like 3 pieces, and I think these have 5.
And then the girls love LOL, and they love JoJo Siwa, and they love goats and cats. So I don't know what they're gonna get.
They like everything basically. They like goats and cats.
I just found these two. These are for my mom and my wife because they both like just like the dark chocolate. So yeah, I'm kind of a ladies' man if you didn't know.
Okay, quick question. Quiz. A couple of the kids like junior mints. Which ones?
I don't know, but we can figure that out later.
Okay, so I found these with the little. They're like pink and red.
Yeah.
And I
cute.
think it's older kids.
And
who
I like 'em.
work because they're not getting the little ring pops because 12 and 16, they don't want a ring pop. But there's also little containers of sour candies over here, like the ones that I grabbed.
Oh, those are good.
So they might like those.
Do they have the ropes? Because $1 is a good deal. I think maybe they don't.
Well, they just stocked it, so maybe they're still waiting to put
Oh,
some more
grab
stuff in.
stopper. Oh, maybe not. I don't know.
Also, do I need to get you some Reese's for your?
Yeah, remember the ratios are important.
So what's your
So,
favorite ratio?
like this one, not actually the ratio that I want, the great big ones. It should be more like these, I think, would have the little ones. This is the section that has like all of the school things, like the 12 I love you cards or whatever they are for school. 12 Valentine's
but the
Day.
problem is like this year, like they're not gonna. Kids
A
aren't
lot
gonna
of
be doing
people are
like
remote.
exchanges, and like we're homeschooling. A lot of people are doing distance learning, especially here in California. I know every state's different right now, but I wonder if they're even gonna sell all this.
There's a lot of good choices, but I mean,
know.
like some of these are so good. Like Dum Dums, I think are good. Fun
Our
Dip is
kids
like
like
one
to
of the
give
kids'
these out.
favorite. Yeah, but I think you have to get if you get the Valentines, you have to get the ones with the candies in them.
I think so.
I've never been a fan of like getting a pencil or an eraser.
Well, it depends. Some pencils are pretty cool. It depends on the pencil.
That's true. The older girls, well, they don't get some of the candies like the ring pops and stuff. They like to bake. So I
They
think
love to
we're
bake.
probably gonna get like the funfetti,
Oh yeah.
right? We have to get the funfetti, and then there's like all sorts of like little things like that.
So I
because they
have,
really like it.
I think this exact one at home, and we do have already cookie cutters, but they would definitely love some little fun mixes. Like here's a
this.
strawberry cake mix down here.
Here's a little,
sugar
we could do like
cookies.
creamy on the sugar cookies.
I think they would like that. The big kids could totally have a baking day.
That's a good idea.
We're home. Dad says he wants to take you guys on a walk. You want to go?
Yeah, sure.
I saw you pass your English class.
I
got
did.
an email while you were doing your school.
I got a 90 on my unit test, so.
I saw it. You're really excited.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're working on getting the Christmas trees taken down. That's why there's all this stuff sitting out here. Gabriel passed her English class.
Hey, all right. English is the first language. You guys want to guess what Melissa's been drinking lately?
Yep.
Anybody? What's Mom been drinking? Tomato juice. Lots of tomato juice with lots of flavorings. She's kind of making like virgin Bloody Marys because she's been craving the tomato juice and they're super healthy. So, oh my gosh, did you finish it already?
I did. I had like, well, it wasn't full all the way.
Well, I also know that you get that stomach sickness, like pregnancy sickness.
I drank too much tomato juice the other day, and then it came back up.
That sounds like
But
it would burn.
It did.
Grayson's like, what do
She's
you-
still. I think earlier she was on her phone. Hey, we need to put some limits on this.
I'm really looking forward to getting these little boxes or bags. I guess they're bags. They're gonna be bags for the girls for Valentine's. Kind of getting them together. We may go out again. We may go to like Dollar Tree or somewhere and see if there's some more stuff for the girls. But for the most part, that's all done. But I guess that's gonna do it for us today, guys. Really appreciate you watching. Follow Melissa on Instagram if you haven't already, because she's awesome. And if you're not subscribed, that would be really cool. We're getting close to 1 million, which would be really amazing. And thank you guys so much for that. And we will see you guys real soon. Bye-bye.